What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another unboxing on That One Andrew channel. Today we are going to be unboxing Persona Trinity Soul Premium Edition, both Volume 1 and Volume 2. I was taking a quick look at my channel and I have a lot of videos on here, over 100 now. And I really feel like Persona and Zelda are my passion, but Persona really is my passion, and I own a lot of this stuff that I've never unboxed or shown to you guys, except for that one Persona collection video, which isn't the best video. It could have been a lot better. We'll see about remaking that one day. Anyways, that aside, I thought it'd be cool to show you guys all these things that I have, all these premium editions and collector's editions and stuff like that, that I've never really unboxed and shown you. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at this today, both Volume 1 and 2, Trinity Souls. Trinity Souls is the Persona anime that came out after 3, I believe. 3 never got an official anime, but this was a canon anime, and it might have actually taken place between 2 and 3. I'm not quite sure, but I do know that there are connections to some of the games. I'm going to be honest, I haven't watched all of it. I've only seen about 5 episodes of it. It's good though. It's old. It's 2000s, I believe. Early 2000s. So take that with a grain of salt. Anyways, maybe one day we'll do a review over the actual anime. But for now, we're going to unbox it. So starting off, everything comes out of this little exit on the side. We're just going to slide it out like that. And if we could take a look at the box for a second, this is a very nice box. Thick cardboard, has art on the front and the back. The spine says Persona Trinity Souls Volume 1 Premium Edition. I don't remember how I got this. I think I got it on eBay. I don't know if it came out in America or not. I'm assuming it has English subtitles, so it might have came out in America. Not sure though. Anyways, so open it up. These are on DVD only. Blu-ray probably wasn't a thing when these came out. I'm sure it has a copyright date on the back somewhere. I don't know. But you get 2 discs for Volume 1. Disc 1 has episodes 1 through 7. Take a look on the back. It gives you a little screenshot of each episode and shows you what the titles are and stuff like that. The front, we got our 2 main characters. I believe they're brothers, and then some other guy. Like I said, I've only seen a couple of the episodes. It was good what I saw. Very Persona 2-esque. The way they summoned their personas in it, they came out of their bodies like in Persona 1 and 2. Here's the disc. Very nice. Got this like holographic type art on it of one of the personas. Kind of a rainbowy color going on here. Reflective. Very pretty. Go ahead and check out disc 2 for Volume 1. Front, back, open it up. Another one of the personas, got the reflective type. Looks very nice. This is very stylish, and Persona's always been very stylish, but this premium edition for sure had a lot of style. And then we get the official art book for Persona Trinity Souls Volume 1. And if we take a look in here, has all the episodes for Volume 1, episodes 1 through 9. Or my bad, 1 through 13. And then it just has a lot of art, some notes about the art, character designs, of course. Really interesting stuff if you care at all about things like this, which I do. I always try to get any of the art books that are either released in editions or released later, whichever ones are localized, because sadly, either some of them aren't localized or some of them take way too long to get localized, like the Persona Q one, I believe. That one never got localized, or it's in the process or something. And then like the manga, it's still being localized. So anyways, yeah. There's Volume 1 of the Premium Edition. And like I said, it just kind of slides right into there. Sits on your shelf nicely like this, or you could display it like that. But just for the sake of time, we're going to go ahead and unbox Volume 2 Premium Edition also. Same style of cardboard, same style of case, I guess you could call this a case. It's really hard to describe. It is nice. It's a nice quality protective sleeve for all the stuff on the inside. This one also comes with an official art book. I'm assuming the art there is different. We're just gonna go ahead and slide it out. Here's another look at the box. Got that over there. And got that right there. Set this aside. Again, 2 discs, DVD. It might have gotten re-released on Blu-ray. I'm not exactly sure. I try to check up on Persona re-releases, collectibles, ports, stuff like that every 6 months and stuff, or something like that. But once I got all the animes, I kind of stopped doing that. So I'll have to go back and check to see if they have re-released this in any updated format. I don't think they have, though. This might not even be on digital, honestly. It's, yeah. So, here's disc 1, I believe, episodes 14 through 20. Open it up. Same style as the other discs. You got this holographic type looking thing of one of the Personas. So, yeah. I did buy this used because I could not find it brand new. So it's not a pristine condition, but it is in nice condition, nice enough, I would say, where I bought it and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna get this. Also, it was like the only one I could find. Here's disc 2 for volume 2, episodes 21 through 26. So the series in total has 26 episodes. Once again, holographic disc, very nice looking. And then we have an art book. This one, you can already tell, is different than the last one. Has these characters on the front. This looks like she's realizing she has a persona or something. The back has these silhouettes. Very, very nice. Very nice. Let's go ahead and look through this real quick. I like this kind of like watercolor painting right here. Or maybe it's not a painting, but the watercolor effects that they have with the white of the Persona Trinity Souls logo kind of shooting out and then the dark faded colors. So, like last time, has some of the episodes, or I guess all the episodes, quotes. And it looks like these are quotes for each of the episodes. This 23, 24, 25, 26. And then we have more character designs along with their personas. I don't know if these are the same character designs as the last one, but I'm willing to gander that they are not. So just flip through here. Got a lot of, looks like comics and stuff. You can tell that a lot of care and work went into stuff like this. And then we have interviews back here, which is really cool, with the directors and CGI director and stuff like that. Asking questions, you know, typical interview stuff. And then some concept art for some locations. So yeah, there's that. Let's go ahead and just slide it right back in. Okay, so there you have it. Those are the 2 premium editions for Persona Trinity Souls, the anime. If you think this is cool, go ahead and check it out. Go ahead and look online, see if you could watch it digitally. I'm sure maybe YouTube has some episodes uploaded, or maybe iTunes sells it. I'm not sure. I don't know if it's on Hulu or Netflix or anything like that. Crunchyroll maybe. Stuff like that. Anyways, if you could find a way to buy this, I think I spent $90 each on them. Or maybe I got them together for like $150. I can't remember. But I did have to pay a resale price because I got these way after they officially came out. I think I was like 10 when they first came out. So, yeah. If you can get them at a reasonable price, I would say $200 would be my limit on buying these. But the quality and the art books and the way that they look, I would say that they are worth $200 for a good person. If you're a big Persona fan and especially interested in the evolution of Persona, because this kind of bridges the gap between the old school style of 1 and 2 and then the new school of 3, 4, and 5 and so on in the future. So yeah, I would recommend it. Anyways, thanks for watching this unboxing video, guys. Go ahead and click on my channel to see more like this and other crazy videos that I do. Let's Plays I did years ago, but those are still up if you want to watch them. And then other things like that. Go ahead and give this a like, comment what you think about all this. Do you think it's worth $200? Do you think it's worth any amount of money? Do you think it's just a waste of money? Let me know in the comments below. Anyways, thanks for watching so much, guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.